Hello, I'm Dr. Tracy Mountford and welcome to my weekly Q&A. And today I'm going to be talking about fillers. And fillers have achieved a really poor reputation in the marketplace generally, and that's something I want to try and address today when I talk about what fillers can do and what's good about treatment with fillers. So years ago, fillers used to be used to fill lines and wrinkles, and to some extent they still are. But that's all we did with them. What we did was take a syringe of filler and fill a line. And that sort of softened the line a bit, but actually didn't make anybody look particularly younger. It just filled a line. And then came along fillers that were used to plump cheeks by plumping and volumizing the face. And the only problem with that was that people could end up being too plump, too full, too contrived. And that's the biggest concern patients of mine have when they come through the door as a first timer. They will say, I know you're recommending fillers, but won't I look too puffy? I don't want to look like so-and-so. And they'll mention someone who does look overfilled. So the new way we inject fillers is simply to underpin the face. What we're doing is restoring volume that has been lost with the aging process that contributes to the sagging and laxity of the skin. So what we do is we assess your face and we strategically replace lost volume from the temples, from the cheeks, not too much here, otherwise it looks too full, simply more from here to give an indirect lift, and we restore volume across the chin, not to again give a big chin or a distorted chin, simply to give volume and remodel. And we even put volume just here, deep, to lift the top lip naturally. So therefore the whole face looks rejuvenated, fresher, more attractive, and completely natural. So if you want to find out more, particularly about the way we do fillers nowadays, please contact the clinic and any of my staff will be very happy to help you.